Welcome back to the EAM Crypto channel. My name is Enrique. Thank you so much for watching. If you are looking to become a better investor or trader, you are in the right place. If you're just looking for some informative entertainment about crypto, you're also in the right place. So hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed today's content. So look, guys, there's a ton to cover. A lot of cool things are happening. Bitcoin's doing some very interesting things. We're going to get into the charts in a little bit to cover it. I'm also going to tell you what I think will be the best performing altcoin in October, and I'll give you two very good reasons why. And before all that, though, I did want to talk about a couple things. First of all, real housekeeping. Thank you so much to Swapsicle for partnering and sponsoring our channel. Really appreciate it. Go check out Swapsicle. I have all the links below for all your swapping and farming needs. And if you're looking to leverage trade, be very, very careful and become, I would actually work on your leverage game trading. There's paper trading you could do, but go to Bitget, check out the links below. And if you want leverage trading into short crypto, which shorting crypto has been incredibly profitable this year, you can do it on Bitget through my link. All right, guys. So first and foremost, let's talk about this chart right here, U.S. oil. Why are we starting with this chart? Well, because as you can see here, it's been pumping a bit of late. This is the 4-hour, but if we were to look at the 1 day, and we're going to talk in a second about why this is important, it's gone all the way from 76 to went up to $87, almost $88. So why is this important? Well, the more that this pumps, that this chart pumps, the more incentive that Powell has to keep rates high, to keep pressing on. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of talk, and this is very important. I've seen a lot of talk on Twitter and other YouTube channels about how the Fed's about to pivot. Zero shot they're going to pivot. Just get that out of your head. They're not going to pivot anytime soon. Maybe they'll slow down a little bit, and maybe, just maybe, next month we'll see 50 basis points versus 75. It's going to be November 1st or 2nd. But there's no pivoting coming anytime soon. So just get that out of your head. So don't trade thinking that, because you're going to get wrecked. All right, guys? So just keep that in mind. Look at this chart, U.S. oil. The more it pumps, the more reasoning that Powell has to keep going hard, staying hawkish. And so this is one metric to kind of be able to gauge. The other one will be employment. Now, we have seen a little bit of softening with the employment numbers. So that's a good thing for the bulls. But still, as long as this keeps going, as long as we see what's happening with inflation all over the world, Powell's not going to pivot anytime soon. So just get that out of your head, because it is going to limit this run that BTC is going on that we're going to talk about right now. It's going to limit the upside the more that you see this chart pump. So let's look into BTC. A lot to cover. I'm going to try to make this video not too long. First things first, look, guys. Yesterday we talked about the fact that it was hyper important for BTC to close above 19,900. It did. Beautiful. That's a good start. However, now we need follow through. Now, so this doesn't look like follow through here, right? Big old red candle so far in the daily. However, what if I told you that this is healthy? Why? Well, because what you're seeing here is a back test. So if it back tests successfully to that 19,900 mark, and it almost got there, if it back tests successfully, who knows, maybe that's close enough, and then stays above 19,900 for this daily close, that's actually going to be very bullish short term. Just for short term. Don't call me a moon boy yet. Don't call me a bull yet. I'm still very bearish, but short term, I could definitely put on my bull horns, because if we can close this candle above 19,900, it'll be the first 19,900. Don't know why I'm struggling with that so much. It'll be the first time that it does that in a very long time. And then now we can start thinking about the upside. You're probably going to see a lot of resistance. It's all going to be psychological. I mean, it's all straight up, straight down. I mean, one can make the argument that you could easily get as high as 22.7. But there'll be some psychological and some technical resistance around 21.5. Here it is, pretty obvious. 21. Really, we want to be exact, 21.561. You'll probably see a ton of resistance, but I mean, it could be a very nice week or 2 weeks for the bulls. I mean, it's hard to time these things, but if it could close above 19,900, just to keep things simple, voila, that looks good. Now, one thing that I want to show on the daily, look at that. Negative momentum is definitely waning. Negative momentum is waning big time. Good thing to see. Now, how's Ethereum doing on the daily? Also not doing so bad. Look at that. So kind of like that. So I would say that I would expect for things to be pretty good. I haven't checked the futures yet today. Go check out the NASDAQ futures. I'll give us an idea of what's to come as well. But yeah, I would say all things pointing pretty well. So you're going to see alts kind of probably do pretty well in the next few days if my thesis is right. But we will see. Again, TA can be trusted when it's bearish during a bear trend. When it's bullish during a bear trend, you got to be really careful. So that's why most of my positions have been short versus long. Oh, by the way, I'm going to show a video showing, like, I don't know, my last 2 weeks of trades. I've been getting a lot of DMs basically saying that I'm cherry picking with what I'm showing or stating. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing with my trades and the results of it. And you guys can see that I'm not, I know that 99% of YouTubers are full of crap and they're not making any money trading. They just make it seem like they are. So the proof's in the pudding. So I'll just do a little screenshot video, I guess, where I can just video my last, I don't know, we'll say 10 days of trade so you guys can see that I'm not BSing you guys. But anyways, I'm all over the place. So Lunacy, this has been a beautiful thing. And it's, long term, it's only a matter of time before it goes down here to like 19,457. So, but in the meantime, you just gotta be careful, just because of the fact that there's rumors about Coinbase listing. But if that Coinbase relisting happens, it will present an easy short. So keep an eye on that. But yeah, I shorted it again last night and already hit my target. So I was very happy with it. So again, this is just a gift that keeps on giving. But I do want to talk about which alt I think will be the best performing alt in October. So I don't think I've ever talked about this alt before. So it is Elron. And why do I like Elron so much? Well, for two reasons. A, they have some huge news that just came out. The Romanian Central Bank approves Elron acquisition of EMI institution TwistPay. So you guys can go and research Elron for yourself, see what you guys think about it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you my moves and my 2 cents. But this is an asset that actually has a ton going for it. We're going to look at a couple things right now. But this TwistPay thing is a huge deal. TwistPay is a principal member of Visa for issuing Visa and of MasterCard for issuing and acquiring MasterCard cards. So it is a huge financial institution. It's licensed to provide payments and to issue electronic money in accordance with legislation in force and with the authorization received from the National Bank of Romania. And then, like I said, moreover, TwistPay is a principal member of Visa. So this is a huge win for Elron. And they did it at a time that's pretty interesting. Why? Well, Elron is going to have their huge conference next month. I think it's the first week of November. So we've talked about this before. Whenever you see certain assets, when their conference comes up, the weeks leading up to that conference, the asset does very well. We saw it with Near. And oh, by the way, Near, I started DCAing into Near. I'm now with just a portion of my trading profits. I think I'm already up to like 1,200 Near tokens just in less than a week. My goal is to get to 10,000 Near tokens, and I want that to just be me DCAing over the next couple months. And I am going to do a video on Near soon enough explaining why I like that asset so much and project so much. It's just fantastic technology. It's kind of mind-blowing, actually. It's 200 times faster than Ethereum. And it's going to get faster because they have this cool infinite scalability feature. But I'll get into that in a video soon. But anyways, Elron. So looking at Elron, it was as high as like what, 500? No, I thought it was more. Okay, I guess according to this 500, maybe I should have charted it on TradingView here, just real quick. EGLD. Yeah, let's do this right. I want to see how high this asset went because I thought it was higher than 500. Nope, that was its highest. Okay, 543. 543 was its highest. But so, anyways, what I was trying to get that, but as you can see, it's at like a 90% discount from its all-time high. Its market cap is still pretty high. We do like the fact that the circulant supply is at 75%. So as far as a long-term hold, I mean, this is not a bad long-term hold either. I was thinking more of kind of like a swing trade from now until the conference, but that's kind of like what I'm looking with Elron. And as you can see, it's done pretty well in the last few days, all the way up in just a week from $46.50. It got up as high as 55. Low retracement, and now it's on its way up. So Elron is definitely one that I'm going to be swing trading this month, especially as we get closer to its conference. And again, we're about 4 weeks away from it. So BTC dumps hard. Whenever BTC dumps hard, like it kind of has the last few hours, then Elron is Oh wait, this is the weekly. My bad. Hold on, guys. Let's go to the 4 hour. God bless. Despite BTC, despite BTC, wow, I wasn't expecting this. Dumping, it's pumped pretty hard in this 4 hour candle. Wow. So, okay, so obviously a lot of smart money is already onto this. But look, just there was some. So just keep an eye on it. The next time you see some retracement, might not be a bad spot to get in there. I'm guessing that this asset, by the time November 1st comes around, is going to be a lot higher than 56. Whether it's 10%, 20, 30%, I don't know. Kind of depends on the rest of the market. But yeah, this will be a good one to make some money off this month. And honestly, from the more I've been seeing about it, it's probably a great asset to hold long term. But again, we are in a bear market, so you have to be very careful with what you DCA into. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, just a guy talking to a microphone. All right. So I guess that's about it, guys. I'm trying to keep these videos not too long. We're already at 11 minutes. If there is a asset that you want me to cover, just let me know. Thank you for all the DMs. I really appreciate that. 99% of them have been really positive. Really appreciate that. It goes a long, long way. And feel free to support the channel by clicking on the Bitget link and doing your trading on Bitget. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.